Are you looking to turn streaming into a full-time career? My name is Stone Mountain, full-time streamer for 4 years, and I've been building a platform and community to help streamers like you turn their passion into a career. Inside, get access to our exclusive playbook covering the 5 pillars of streaming. It starts with getting your first viewers to realizing that you're an entrepreneur and running a business. 2 live mentorship sessions with me every month to drive accountability and accomplish your goals. Monthly masterclasses with experts, diving into topics like leveraging YouTube to grow your streams or the ins and outs of mobile streaming. It can be a lonely and difficult journey. And here you'll find a community of supportive professional streamers from different games and categories and platforms to connect and grow with. And we've teamed up with top brands in streaming like Razer, NZXT, Corsair, Elgato to get you exclusive discounts for streaming upgrades. If you're looking to make streaming a career, enrollment for Pipeline is open for a limited time. Click the link to find out more, and I look forward to seeing you inside.